Hello guys, today we are gonna learn how to cube on SolidWorks. It's simple. First thing you have to do is to open a pièce like that, okay? And then you want to draw an esquisse. You click on esquisse and you select the plant face. Then you can draw whatever line you want. I start from the center, but it's not necessary. You draw your line up like that so you have a carré. And when you have a carré, the good thing with SolidWorks is that you can do the cotation, so you can choose the size of your carré 50-50. Okay, and now it is almost finished because the only thing you have is you can extrude it. Okay, so now you can have a nice cube. And what we want is a cube, not a parallelepiped rectangle. So just there you type 50 because we did 50-50 for the carré. Okay, now we have our cube. It's nice. Thank you guys. Now you know how to cube. Bye bye.